In this video, I am going to show you how to use the recforge 2 app to get good quality audio for the videos that you make for YouTube. So first things first, you'll have to go to the App Store or the Play Store and download the recforge 2 app, install it, and then connect your microphone or your earplugs to your phone and get your phone on the airplane mode. With that being done, click on the recforge 2 app, say OK, and now this is the interface that you will see. Once you see this, you click on record. Now right now what you see is on the default settings, which I have put at minus 10 decibels over here. As you see over here, it is at minus 10 decibels. Now if I were to bring this up to 0 decibels, you can see how the audio which I am having is peaking. It is really going too loud. And here you have the audio meter. And you must always ensure that you are staying below the extreme top. So say about 2/3 up is good enough, like what is happening now. Now, if I still increase the mic sensitivity, you see that I am going and I am now clipping. Now, you see this clipping that you see over here on the graph indicates that the voice will be way too distorted and is going to pick up a lot of external noise. So, I will give you the audio clips from this app also, so you will know what exactly I am talking about. So, let's go down and you can go all the way down to minus 20. Now, in minus 20 decibels, you see that it is having a very soft recording. Now, if you have a lot of ambient noise, all you need to do is put it on as low as possible. So have your sound meter, have the mic sensitivity brought down as much as you can, so that you do not get the external ambient sound. Now I'll keep quiet for about 5 seconds, and in that 5 seconds you will see that the line over here becomes almost smooth. It does not pick up any sound, although outside there is traffic moving and there is traffic noise that is coming. So you saw that there was hardly any noise or hardly any audio interference that it was picking up. So from minus 20, I will take it up. I will move the slider and bring it up to about minus 10. Now at minus 10, I am still getting good audio, but it will still be a little soft. As you see, the mic sensitivity over here, the mic gain over here, it's just coming to about midway. I would like the mic gain coming up till over here, so that my audio is very good and the ambient audio is not so interfering. So from minus 10, I'll come up to about minus 5. Okay, now at minus 5, you see that I'm still over there, but I'm now beginning to go slightly higher up. So I will take the sensitivity up to minus 1.5 and my plus. Okay, so at 0 decibels, I am getting very good audio. This is exactly how it should be. I am not having any audio clipping taking place. So my audio will sound absolutely clear. And while we do this, I will show you how you can change it in recforge itself. Okay, now understand that this is just a lecture on explaining to you how to get good audio. It is not a detailed preview of the recforge app, which I can do at a later stage. So here what you see is just the preview. Okay, once I click on yes, now whatever I say is actually getting recorded. So here you see that I am recording at 0 decibels and the microphone is picking up the audio. I am going to about 2/3 the strength rather than going all the way to the top and clipping it. And if I want to further reduce it, I use the slider at the bottom, and from 0 decibels, I come down to minus 10 decibels. Now, at minus 10 decibels, you can hear how the audio is changing. So currently, while the video is recorded with my camera, uh, the audio that you are listening to is the audio that is taken with the recforge app. So this is at minus 10 decibels. and this is at minus 20 decibels. For this, you'll need to have your headphones on so you really can hear what the minus 10 decibels, rather minus 20 decibel actually sounds like. Now, bring it up to 0 decibels again, and here you are. I don't have to scream, I don't have to talk, but ambient noises you will start to get. So I prefer keeping it during my recordings at minus 10, and then later on I can always bump it up in post. Now, if at all I want to go higher, I can go, but I want to show you what it would be like if we were to go up to minus plus 20. So this is plus 20, and you can see the audio is really screeching, it is peaking, and this is tearing it out. This is not the good audio that anybody would want. This is bad, this is very bad. So let's come back down to the minus 10 as I prefer for the ambient sounds that are there in my area, in my environment, when I am doing voiceovers or when I am talking and I need to record my lectures. This is what the setting that I keep the recforge app on. So I hope this has helped you guys, and get recforge to download it, experiment with it. Let me know if there is anything else that you would want me to share with you or to guide you or teach you. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.